Hi, I'm Hasiel Magana, photographer and web designer, and I'm going to show you how to create a web page in 5 minutes. First, what you need is a text editor, so that could be Text Wrangler on Mac or Notepad for Windows. In my case, I will be using the Crimson editor. So what you need to establish first is an HTML page. So we have an opening bracket, HTML, and a closing bracket, and we need to say where the page ends with a slash HTML and the closing brackets. And we have two main sections, the head, and we say where it ends with the slash head, and then the body. So and we also would it ends with slash body. On the head, that's where the title for the page would go, and that's the title, well, in our case, 5 minute web page, and that would be what it would be displayed on top of the browser window. And on the body, we have our divs, so we can have as many divs as we like or need, and the div work just as a block that holds the text and all the information together. So here we're gonna insert the title. Well, first let's just go ahead and save it. So we go to File and Save As. So we name our page, well, 5 minute web page, and we do need to establish that it's a HTML. So that HTML. So that's how the computer and the browser know it's a HTML page. And then let's do our let's open it. And so we have nothing on the page, no content yet, but we do have our title on top of the browser. So let's do a header 1, H1. So that's going to be the title of the page, or the main content or info on the page. So it could be the subject or something. So then we can have maybe a paragraph, and the closing paragraph, one more paragraph, some content there, and closing paragraph, and our last paragraph. So then we just save this. So Control S, or whatever you keep going. So it's File and Save. So Control S, and then we reload the page, and we have now still our title and some paragraph. And if you would like to read everything, you just go to View and Word Wrap, and that's just gonna keep everything that you have written within the size of the window that you're using. So here we're gonna insert an image. So that's the opening bracket, IMG for image, and SRC equal, and then in quotation the name of the file that we're using. So gemportrait.jpg. And we also need to include an alt tag, which that's a description of the image that we're using. And our closing tag is just going to be a slash and the ending of the closing bracket. And then now we have our image and some text. So then if maybe we would like to start styling to make it will look better. So on the inside the body tags, we do just a space and style. The equals, and in quotations, background color, and a colon, and then just use the word green and semicolon, and we end the quotations. And then our background for the whole body on the window is green. So now our div, so let's do style, and we do the same, maybe background color, let's do just white. And so we do the difference between a body and a div. So body would be the whole window, and then the div is just gonna be 1000 pixels, and I would like that to be on the center. So we do margin right and margin left set to auto, so it would float or be displayed in between the window. So that's 1000 pixels. So then maybe we could do the picture to stay, maybe do style equals, and in quotations float colon left, and that's gonna keep the image on the left side with a padding of maybe 10 pixels. And we close the quotation, save, and we have now our image and the text on the right. So maybe we do on our last paragraph is style, the equal sign, and in quotations we're gonna do clear, both, so that the white background goes all the way to the bottom of the page. And now it should be covering the whole image. So just a quick note on the header. So you can go up to header 7. So you have different sections on your page. You can just name it according to importance, and also if you see the size, it's reduced as the numbers I guess increase, or the importance increase. So we keep that at H1, and that's how you pretty much make a website. So hope you enjoyed it.